Remmers Epoxy MT100 is a moisture-tolerant 2-pack epoxy primer. The smaller packs come in an outer branded tub containing a silver bag. Inside the silver bag is a split bag that contains part A and part B separated by a rubber strip. To combine the components, pull on the rubber strip as shown and let the parts combine. With no tools required, simply massage the bag as shown for 2 minutes until thoroughly mixed. By using this innovative packaging process, less worry is required for contractors in regards to disposal of hazardous waste. This is due to all the material being combined in a plastic bag, which can then be disposed of by the normal means. Normally, epoxy MT100 will cure in 4 hours at 18 degrees Celsius. However, we are going to incorporate an accelerator to give the product a 2-hour cure. Once mixed, you have a pot life of about 20 to 25 minutes at 18 degrees Celsius. Once incorporated, mix with a paddle mix until fully combined. Use a quality medium pile nylon roller for application. A good trick is to use a strip of duct tape to remove any loose fibres from the new roller refill you are looking to use. Ensure not to use a cheap roller, otherwise you risk the fibres disintegrating into the coating. Pour a starting amount into the substrate. Roll out the resin coating into the area required. Apply at a rate of 0.4 to 0.5 square metres per kilogram. Roughly speaking, one 10 kilogram tub will yield 5 square metres depending on the porosity and texture of the substrate. Next is the broadcasting of the aggregate, where spikes used to ensure to fully blind the whole surface so no glossy areas remain. Here we are using a 0.7 to 1.2 mm coarse aggregate. This aggregate has a sand-like texture and needs to be broadcasted so the resin can keep hold of it and soaks into the grains. The idea is to cover until there are no shiny wet patches. More is always better. Use a nylon broom to brush off the excess. Ensure you use a quality broom so no brush hairs are left on the surface. Afterwards, vacuuming the surface is required. We recommended using a twin motor vacuum. The top coat of this system is the Remmers QP Color Top Coat. This has 3 components and is a hybrid quick curing epoxy. The 3 components are the coloured pigment base, part B is the hardener and part C is the catalyst. The product will need all 3 components to fully cure. The catalyst is about 1% of the system. By using the Remmers QP Color Top Coat at 18 degrees Celsius, the substrate will be ready for foot traffic after about 2 to 3 hours. However, if you require an even faster cure, you can add double the amount of catalyst component. By using double the amount of catalyst, the coating will be ready for foot traffic after only 1 hour. Please note though that the pot life will be reduced down to around 15 minutes, so it's important to work quickly and make sure all your tools are ready to go. We would only recommend that experienced users do this. You can either apply on your knees with a smooth trowel or standing using a squeegee. Pour on a suitable amount and spread the material as shown. You will find the material is spread quite quickly. When using the standard top coat system with the single catalyst, the pot life should be between 20 to 25 minutes at room temperature. Use a roller afterwards to even out the material. When doing your final rollover, lift the roller at the end of the sweep to prevent marking. If you do get it in your hands, use quality paint wipes before curing. Clean tools, equipment and splash material immediately while fresh with Remmers V101 thinner, available on our website. Please do follow the instructions on our data sheets which we publish on our website www.promain.co.uk.